Hey guys, what is up? Sumit here, and I am back with another video. So guys, yesterday, Microsoft officially released its Windows 10 anniversary update to its users. So today, I'm going to be looking at some of the new features in Windows 10 anniversary, and basically going over what's new. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, how can you get this update faster? So guys, really your computer should update and basically install it itself, but if you want it a bit faster, then you can essentially go into check for updates, click on check for updates, and once an update is found, it will basically install it itself. And guys, this process may not happen instantly because Microsoft is rolling out these updates a bit slow, so you may not receive it the same day as someone else. Okay, but now let's actually look at some of the new features. So guys, one small new feature is actually the start menu. So guys, now in the start menu, as you can see all of your apps rather than just your recently added, as you could see before. Now, another pretty cool feature is if you go into task view and you right click on an app, you can actually click show this window on all desktops. So if you have any virtual desktops open, you can basically pin those to the desktop on your virtual device. Now, another small type of feature in Windows 10 Anniversary is actually in the Action Center. So, in the Action Center, if you open this up, whenever you get a new notification, first of all, it's just going to show you in a badge over here, an icon, and basically now you can also uh, go into notification and action settings and basically customize what you want for each application, and set a limit of how many notifications each app can put out. Now, guys, another cool new feature is actually the calendar. So if you click on the time and date, sorry, basically it will open up this whole thing in which you can set the new calendar, and actually it will show you if you have any events. So the calendar is actually integrated with the time and settings, which is again pretty cool. Now, guys, getting into one of the big updates in Windows 10 is big new features. Sorry, is actually Cortana. So first of all, you can now say "Hey Cortana," so that will open up Cortana's interface. And another big one is Cortana can now be used on the lock screen. So on the lock screen, you can ask some simple questions like the weather, uh, set reminders, and ask simple questions like that. So which is pretty cool. It basically increases the productivity of Cortana. And guys, Cortana is now way smarter, which means you can ask her. Basically, Cortana is now integrated with other apps. So once you're inside of other apps that are supported, like Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, uh, and maybe in the future other apps. Basically, if you tell the apps to do something, they can do it through Cortana too, which is another pretty cool feature. And Cortana, in general, you can ask her many more questions, which she will be able to give the answer to. And guys, coming back to Cortana, Cortana is now integrated with your Android or your Windows smartphone. So basically, if you have on Android or even Windows the Cortana app installed, you can now receive updates such as the battery life or basically any updates that your phone gets right on the right over here on your desktop. So sadly, guys, this is not available on the iPhone, and there's no actual word when it will be available. But it's still a pretty nice feature. Now, guys, another pretty cool feature that I've seen is actually Connect. So wait, so if you open up Connect, basically you can wirelessly connect to different phones and different type of monitors through this app, which is pretty cool. And you can also do the same thing through Project, which is also it was there before, but you can still do that too. So that's definitely a pretty cool feature. Now, another huge feature in Windows 10 is actually extensions in Microsoft Edge. So you can now get new extensions such as AdBlock Plus, normal AdBlock, things Right now there are not too many, but in the future there should be many more. So that's definitely a welcome change. Now, another big feature in Windows 10 Anniversary is actually a dark theme. So, if we go into color settings, keep misspelling, if you go into color settings over here, you can actually click on dark mode, which will basically make this a dark theme. So this is good to use at night, or people who generally like this darker type of theme. Now, so guys, tablet mode on Windows 10 Anniversary now looks a bit like the Windows 8 interface, which is pretty cool. Okay, now another pretty good feature I would say is actually called Windows Ink. So basically, what this allows is that if you have a Windows Ink enabled device, you will see a pen icon over here, which you can use with the Windows Pen, and apps such as Sticky Notes will basically let you use that interface, and you can take some pretty cool notes and stuff with Windows Ink. So if you are into that type of stuff, it's a nice feature. Now, guys, another big feature on Windows 10 Anniversary is actually called Windows Hello. So what this will do is basically, again, if you have a device that is able to do this, you can basically unlock your device using your picture, or basically using your face. So it will basically turn on the camera and yeah, unlock your device using that. Right now, my device uh, isn't basically uh, available on the isn't really available for Windows Hello, but devices such as the Surface, Surface Pro, Surface Book, stuff like that will be available. Now, guys, the last feature I actually wanted to talk about is mainly for developers. So, what this is basically a batch shell. So, what that means is basically, this is not the one, but it basically brings the whole Linux command prompt interface to this. So, that is really cool for developers, especially. So, guys, right now I think that is about it for the new features in the Windows 10 anniversary update. There are many few small ones, but nothing major to actually talk about. Um, so yeah, guys, that is about it for this video. So if this video helped you, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace.